No intro, let's start. This is crazy. Let's see how it's going to finish this food, but don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. So let's see what he has on the table today. Damn, this is really crazy. How is he gonna finish this food? There's a lot of apple, there's a lot of fish, and also chicken. Maybe chicken sauce with stew together. Let's see what he's going to do. This is yummy and lovely. This is crazy though. The way they finish all this food, the way they used to eat and all of that, it's so shocking and amazing. But I don't know if I can be able to finish all this type of food here. There's a lot of it. There's a lot of it here. I'm not lying. I'm not even kidding. See how this, and there's plenty egg. God, how can someone be eating this type of egg? There's a lot of egg here. The egg is so much, and it needs protein. Almost all the thing he's eating here has protein. It's fish, meat, chicken, and a lot of egg. Like how is he gonna do that? Wow, this is crazy. This is really crazy. Damn, this is really crazy. How is he gonna finish this food? There's a lot of apple, there's a lot of fish, and also chicken. Maybe chicken sauce with stew together. Let's see what he's going to do. This is crazy though. The way they finish all this food, the way they used to eat and all of that, it's so shocking and amazing. But I don't know if I can be able to finish all this type of food here. There's a lot of it. There's a lot of it here. I'm not even kidding. And there's plenty egg. God, how can someone be eating this type of egg? There's a lot of egg here. There's so much. And it's protein. Almost everything is eating here has is protein. This is meat, protein, and how is it gonna do that? How is it gonna finish this thing? There's a lot of apple, there's a lot of meat, and also chicken. Maybe chicken sauce will be sweet. Let's see what we're going to do. This is crazy. The way they finish all this food, you used to eat and all of that. It's so shocking and amazing, but I don't know if I can be able to finish all this type of food. There's a lot of meat. There's a lot of meat. So I'm not lying, I'm not even kidding. Wow, we really made it and finished the whole food, and this is crazy. Maybe after this, he will go to the toilet and remove everything that he has been eating all day. Please, guys, thank you guys for watching. This is lovely. I love all this type of food challenge mukbang. This is nice. Whenever I watch India people and Bangladesh do all this type of food stuff, I feel joy, and it really makes me happy. I wish I can join you guys and be doing all of this too. So hopefully one day I'll try my own. You know, I have already posted the other one the other day. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. That is the most important thing. Peace out.